How to have blank highlight name on Instagram. If any day any of you are an Instagram user and you would like to have the blank highlight name on Instagram but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Instagram application on your mobile device. For that, you can tap on Instagram like this, and after you tap on Instagram like this, Instagram will be launched on your very mobile device. After Instagram is launched on your very mobile device, you have to go to your profile section and then you can tap on any of the highlights like this. For example, this is the highlight. And then you have to go to the option of edit the highlight. Now, after you go to the option of edit the highlight, now what you have to do is you have to cut all of those titles. And then now you have to go back and then go to the option of Google Chrome on your very mobile device. After you tap on the option of the Google Chrome on your very mobile device, now in the search option of the very Google Chrome, you have to search there white text. And when you search the option of the white text, now you can see the option of like this. If you search white texture mixture, if it's wrong, and you have to tap on the option of the white text. Now after that, you had seen screen like this. Now what you can do is you can tap on any of those. If you do not see a nice option, you can search the next option, that is blank text generator. Now after you tap on blank text copy or blank text generator, now you can see like this. This is the very option of creating invisible character. Now you can tap on the very option, that is blank text copy and paste. Now here you can just tap on the option of copy, and after that you can go back and go to the option of the Instagram there, and in the highlights you can just tap there and you can just paste the very thing that you have copied and go to the option of done. So after you do done, this way your highlight is updated on the very blank way. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.